In today's video, I will guide you through on how to add checkmark in your Adobe Acrobat. It's quite simple and quick. So all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the page you're working on, let's say, and you want to add checkmark. So first thing, you have to go to the toolbar. Although there might be a problem because you might not be able to see the toolbar in this video because I don't know, for some reason while recording this video, the toolbar might not be visible. So I just hope that you know where the toolbar is. So first thing, you have to go to the toolbar and look for this icon that says A, and that says fill in form field. Simply tap into that icon and you can see there will be a drop down menu, and go to the check mark option that is usually at the third, and tap into that, and you can simply go to wherever you want to put the check mark into. Let's say I want to put check mark over here, simply tap in there. And also there is another thing, you can also change the color of the check mark by going into the toolbar again, and you can look for the bottom and you can see a circle that says choose a color for check mark. Tap into that icon and you can see variety of color. Let's say I want to mark it with blue. See, the color have changed. You can simply put the check mark wherever you want to, and this is basically how you add check mark into Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.